When you hand someone your card, it's the one moment your customer actually touches your brand. At Plastek, we don't just manufacture cards, we engineer how your brand feels, down to the thickness. What most people don't know is that card thickness isn't measured in millimeters, it's measured in mils, 1/1000th of an inch. And those few mils determine how a card feels, flexes, and performs. Need high-value cards for an event or promotion? 12 mil keeps costs down without sacrificing durability. Perfect for short-term experiences. 18 mil delivers a premium feel with just the right amount of rigidity. For gift cards, access control, and hotel keys, 30 to 40 mil delivers the durability these cards demand, wallet-ready and built for everyday use. Request your free sample kit today. Plastek. Experience the difference.